Today, we will discuss with you about MRI of the nose and PNS. Here, the three images you see on the screen are the localizer image. Yes, this is the image. And this is the coronal, and this is the axial. Now we will set the plan for one section. So we have come from the sagittal mini master. Let's bring it up on the screen. This is the T2 sagittal image, and we will do the PNS span planning. The planning for this section will be done on the sagittal and coronal views, and we are arranging the plans very nicely by following the anatomical positions. Take a look. And if we talk about the parameters, the slice is set to 25, the distance factor is 25, and the slice technique is set to 3.5 millimeters. Okay. Let's reduce the distance factor a bit. Okay. No, not okay. Apply it. Okay, now we will do the planning, which will be on the coronal. The planning will be based on the axial and sagittal views. So if we talk about the parameters, the number of slices is 25, the distance factor is 31, and the slice thickness is 3.5 millimeters. Here, we are observing the pathology a bit. There is pathology on the right side in this area. Okay, following the anatomical position, we have done the planning very nicely. Okay, now apply it. The next plan, which is the plane scan sequence, is going to be a coronal scan and will be positioned above the sella. Let's increase the distance factor a bit. We'll include the sinus as well. Okay, now apply. Since we already have the T1 axial, we'll use the same region as the T2 star axial. We'll just copy it, same slices, same region. Okay, now it's copied. Axial T1 has been copied, now apply it. If I show you the images, you'll understand that on the right side here, we can clearly see that this patient definitely needs to be given contrast. In the coronal lens, we can see right here, in this specific area, where the contrast is required. See, it's coming out very nicely, and this is the sagittal plane. This is how we've planned it.